Step into the Ram 2019 2500 Laramie. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include bright white clear coat, monotone paint, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE included, chrome accent shift control, tires, LT275/70R18 on off-road, blind spot and cross-path detection included, power chrome tow mirrors with convex spotter and memory mirror mounted reverse lamps, exterior mirrors with memory power adjustable convex mirrors, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, black leather trim bucket seats included, bucket seats high back seats number 1 seat foam cushion folding flat load floor storage full length upgraded floor console, engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, selective catalytic reduction, dual 730 amp maintenance free batteries Cummins turbo diesel.